Police authorities are launching a fresh campaign against banned firecrackers and pyrotechnics. They are also on alert against smuggled firecrackers. This report.
The PNP Civil Security Group confirmed that there are already firecrackers coming from other countries that were illegally transported to the Philippines. According to PNP Civil Security Group Chief Police Director Gil Meneses, they are now coordinating with the Bureau of Customs and other law enforcement agencies in line with such substantiated information. But Meneses as of now is not certain if the smuggled firecrackers were already scattered to the market.
We are already with our counterparts sa customs para po maawat ang paglabas ng mga ito sa ating
So galing po ito na ibang bansa?
Opo, mga galing sa ibang bansa ang ating mga firecrackers na namomonitor.
Based on the records of the PNP CSG, there are 44 registered firecracker manufacturers in the country and 179 authorized dealers. Fly-by-night operators or illegal firecracker producers, for sure, according to Meneses, will also take advantage of the extra income that they may get from selling pyrotechnic products unlawfully.
At the end of ng mga manufacturers and dealers, they are policing their ranks. So nire-report nila sa atin yung mga gumagawa na walang permiso galing sa Firearms and Explosive Office.
The PNP also expects more risky rivalry explosives this year, which they will announce later so that the public could make the necessary cautiousness against those hazardous firecrackers.
In due time siguro i-announce namin kasi tinitignan din namin yung market baka bukas na. Kasi yung last year may Bin Laden, merong with the Philippines, ano? Ayun yung mga bawal natin na talagang malalaking paputok. Ini-inventory pa namin kung ano pa yung mga lalabas, especially this December.
For the People's Television, Alvin Balcazar.